You use ChatGPT. You use Claude. Maybe Gemini too. You type something, it replies, and that's the end of it. But there's a new kind of AI that doesn't just reply, it actually does things. It plans, it acts, and it keeps going until the job is done. That's an AI agent. Here's the core difference. A chatbot like ChatGPT is reactive. You ask, it answers. You ask again, it answers again. It's like texting a very smart friend. They only respond when you reach out. An AI agent is proactive. You give it a goal and it figures out on its own what steps to take, in what order, using whatever tools it needs until that goal is achieved. You're not having a conversation with it. You're giving it a mission. Let's make this concrete with an example. Imagine you tell ChatGPT, research the top 5 electric cars of 2025, compare their prices, and book a test drive for the one with the best range. ChatGPT will write you a nice response. It might even give you a table, but it won't actually book anything. It can't. It stops at words. Now give that same task to an AI agent. It searches the web, reads reviews, pulls pricing data, opens a booking website, fills in your details, and confirms the appointment. It didn't just answer your question, it completed your task. You might also be thinking, wait, doesn't this sound like regular AI automation, like a script or a workflow tool that does tasks automatically? But here's the key difference. Traditional automation follows a fixed path. You define every step in advance, and the system executes them in order. No surprises, no flexibility. If something unexpected happens, it breaks or stops. An AI agent doesn't follow a fixed path. It figures out the path. You give it a goal, not instructions. If it hits an obstacle, it reasons around it. If the situation changes halfway through, it adapts. Think of automation as a train. It only goes where the tracks were already laid. An AI agent is more like a driver. You tell it the destination, and it navigates the road in real time, handling detours as they come. So how does it actually work? An agent runs on a loop. It starts with a goal, then it thinks, what's the first step to reach this goal? It takes that step, maybe it searches the internet, reads a document, writes some code, or sends an email. Then it looks at what just happened and thinks again, did that work? What's next? It keeps repeating this think, act, observe cycle until the job is done. This loop is the heartbeat of every AI agent. To do all this, agents are connected to tools. A tool can be anything. A web browser, a calendar, a code executor, a database, an email client, or even another AI model. The agent decides which tool to use and when. It's not guessing randomly. It's reasoning through the problem like a junior employee who knows exactly which app to open for each task. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some of the most powerful setups use multiple agents working together. One agent might be the manager that breaks down a big goal into smaller tasks and assigns them. Another agent researches, another writes, another reviews and edits. They pass information between each other, check each other's work, and collectively produce something that no single model could do alone. This is called a multi-agent system, and it's how companies are starting to automate entire workflows, not just individual tasks. You might be wondering, if agents are so powerful, why isn't everyone using them already? The honest answer is that they're still maturing. As of preparing this video, agents can make mistakes mid-task, get stuck in loops, or misinterpret the original goal. They also raise real questions about control. If an agent can send emails and make purchases on your behalf, how do you make sure it doesn't do something you didn't intend? These are the challenges researchers and developers are actively solving right now. You're watching this technology grow up in real time. But the trajectory is clear. Right now, agents are already being used to autonomously write and test software, manage customer support pipelines, run marketing campaigns, and conduct research. A task that took a human team 3 days can now be handed to an AI system and completed overnight. We are moving from AI that informs us to AI that works for us. Here's the mental shift that matters. ChatGPT is a brilliant advisor. You consult it, take the advice, and go do the work yourself. An AI agent is a capable executor. You describe the outcome you want, and it handles the steps. One answers questions, the other gets things done. I hope this short video gives a good overview of what an AI agent is. If you still have questions in your mind, feel free to write it down in the comments section, and usually it will be answered within 24 hours. See you in the next video.